been a few weeks since I've had a video up, everybody. Welcome back to the Cobra Daytona build. We're here at an Autocross. It is cold out here, probably in the low 40s, but Dave is bringing the Chevelle out instead of the coupe. So I've got the coupe out. Dave's got this big old boat, so we'll see how this thing does. It's going to be fun. So he's going to trash on it. So we'll see if we can get some good video up, and stay tuned. Thank you for watching the Autocross, everybody. I want to throw some things out there. You see the car's up on blocks, by the way, because I am painting the calipers. So they're all in prime. I got to block them out, at least the faces, and then we're going to get to paint them same color as the car, so they look good behind the wheels. The difference between a good car and a great car is attention to little details like that. And those red calipers behind the orange wheels look like crap. So now it'll be the light blue behind the orange. It should pop. But it's going to take some time. But back to the Autocross. So I finished 9th out of 29 guys. Not too happy with the way I finished. It's been a while since I've done an Autocross, probably 4 or 5 months maybe. I'm not even sure. It's been a while. But I think some of the issues are this, and I changed my front alignment. I went from negative 2.2 degrees, negative camber, to about 1.5. Let me show you why. So you can see the inner edge of these wheels pretty much done. Outer edge, still got life left because I'm not autocrossing or tracking enough to necessitate that much negative camber. So I dialed a bunch of it out. I added a little more to the rear. I was running about 0.7, negative 0.7 to the rear. I went up to about 1. Not a lot, but the car felt much more balanced, actually. The rear, really, I didn't really lose it at all. I was getting more understeer now, which once tires warmed up, those kind of went away and it became very well balanced. But I need to kind of learn how to drive it again now with the new alignment, because it did change it. It definitely changed the way it feels. I'm also going to quit doing it in first gear. I popped off that 8,000 RPM rev limiter a lot, and it's kind of scaring me a little bit. I mean, that's pretty high. That's a lot of RPMs, even for the Coyote. So I may just start doing it in second, give up a little bit of time, and you know, do it in second gear. And then I'm never over like 6,500, even 6,000 probably. So we'll see, but it was a fun time. So watch the video. I'm still working on how to put all the data, RPMs and all that. So I'm trying to get that up as well, but we'll see what it goes. And then my next video, I'll probably put up how much this whole thing costs. I'm going to put up all the receipts and everything, say, here's what I'm into this thing, bit by bit, so everybody knows. So thanks for watching. Hit subscribe, and we'll have more coming at you. Thanks.